So we have a Kenya Wildlife Service right here at Malindi Marine Park Reserve, and also right there we have a Billionaire Resort Beach. I wanna be taking you there. So this way up also we have this Marine Holiday House. So we have the column house right here, guys. So I'll be taking you around the tour, the guest tour around here, and I'll show you how it is. Yes. Welcome to the house of columns right here. So, you see right here. This was a strange cut. They say it wasn't me. I'm a shark right here. You see the way it is right here. So
the skull of
yeah, this is a skull of a shark.
yes, really. Yeah,
that's a skull of a shark. And also we have some amazing pictures right here. And also we have this type of nets. Right here.
There's a different kind of fish.
So
Kingfish.
This is a kingfish.
Yeah. This is a kingfish.
Alright. So you see right there. What a strange catch. You see right here also. So these are the strangest catch that we had right here. You see? That those people had those days. You see? Yeah.
Very successful in getting very fish, different kind of fish.
Okay.
Easiest.
Alright. Okay. What is the meaning of this? Tisha mkono ndani ya mwanya na uipa papase papase mwili wangu. Je, mimi ni laini au na kuaruza mororo au mgumu? Je, na paparuza nauma au nina dukwa mimi ni nani? Man, I can't try this. Huh?
Like well.
Inside here. So
So this is a map of the Tana River, Kenya.
Alright. So guys, this is how everything is with me. I can't try to put a hand inside here, man. I never know what is inside there. So yes. So you see this house right here. Also we have, one day in Malindi we caught a very strange fish that I had never seen before. My tutor told that it was half fish, half game. After going to my books, I realized that this is one of the rare fishes that had not been seen in this part of the world. Just a droll fish at this guy right here. And also we had this guy here. They say, for heaven's sake, please ensure that this fish is kept for future prosperity. We have also right here, the National Museum of Kenya has received for its 90th anniversary a very special and unique gift. This guy right here. So fishing net, right? So welcome to this other side right here, guys. You see. So these are. So also you have also a skull of a fish right here. Man, look.
Different kinds of fish.
Yeah.
Mudfish.
So you see. So you see these skulls right here. So these are limestone, you know, the fossils of history. You see, it's really nice, and sometimes I feel like it's crazy. You see right here. Look right here. Wow. Look.
Very big fish.
Look at it, guys. It's just a big fish. Let me show you this one right here. It is a fish that was cut and it was preserved here. You see. And also we have this coral right here. It's just amazing place. So they say like I'm a colecant. The name colecant comes from a Greek word that is called colecanthus, which means hollow spine. The latter part of this exhibition explain how I got this name. And right here you have some blah 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 explanation of this. It's called in Swahili kisukusuku. So right there.
Different kinds of fish.
And also we have this right here. It looks live, man. Look. I'm a monitor wizard. Mimi ni mburukenge. So if somebody calls you mburukenge, this one right here, it means you are that place, that thing right there. And also we have a tilapia right here. You have a tilapia right here. It's called mimi ni pali. So pali is in Swahili, but tilapia in English. And also we have this lungfish right here. It's called kambare in Swahili right here. Wow, man, it's really crazy, you know. So the catchment of the coelacanths, right here, man. So I do recommend you guys, if you wanna be paying a visit at Malindi, come pay a visit at this place called Malindi Museum. It's a really nice place. You can learn history. You can know how everything is right here, you know. So different fish, everything is nice. So I hope you have learned something from this. I say thank you so much, and if it's your very first time on this channel, subscribe. Let's meet to the next amazing content. Bye bye.